Hello, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am going to discuss with you some problems from statistics. Here I will focus on the problems from two topics, which are representation of data and the measures of central tendency, which is a very basics idea from statistics. Now, first problem: the lengths of children's feet in centimeters are classified as 14, 16, 17, 19, 20 to 22 and so on. So we have to state the lower class boundary, then the class width and the class mid value for the length given as 17 to 19. So for this length, lower class boundary will be 17 minus 0.5, which is 16.5 centimeter, and class width is 19.5 minus 16.5, which is 3 centimeter, and the class mid value is sum of this lower value and highest value, then divided by 2, which is 18 centimeter. So now the second problem: the capacities of 10 engines are in liters are given rounded to two decimal places as follows: 1.86, 2.07, 1.74, and accordingly 2.19. Then these capacities are to be grouped in three classes, which is 1 to 1.4, 1.5 to 2, then 2.1 to 2.22. We have to find the frequency of the class, this class 1.5 to 2 liters. Then we have to write down two words that describe the type of data given about the engines. Okay, so the frequency of the class is the values in this class, these are the values, so the frequency is 6. Okay, and the values, the data, write down the two words that describe the type of data given about the engines. So that will be quantitative and continuous. Okay, now problem 3. Here, over a 10-day period, Elena recorded the number of text messages she received each day. The following stem and leaf diagram shows her results. This is a stem and leaf problem. Which is what is stem and leaf? It is a process of representing. It is a way of representing discrete data. Here, the this suppose this is a data where this will be a stem first. This will be a stem and this will be leaf, and combinedly 15 it represents the 15 messages. Here for this problem, this data represents 15 messages. So these numbers will be stem and these are leaf for every data, and so this is a way of representing discrete data, stem and leaf. So on how many days did she receive more than 10 but not more than 15 messages? And then how many more rows would need to be added to the stem and leaf diagram if Elena included data for 2 extra days on which she received 4 and 36 messages? We have to explain our answer. Then now here there are 6 days on which she received 13, 14, 14 and 15, 15 text. If we see, if we notice at the data here, 16 days, here 13, 14, 14 and also 15, 15, sorry, this will be 1. Okay, 15, 15 15. Okay, so there are three messages, and there are three messages total. So six times six messages. She received six text messages on 6 days. Okay, and from the second and third rows, we can see that each row is a class of with 5. Each row is a class of with 5. Okay, and a row for 0 to 4 needs to be added for the 4 messages, and a row for 35 to 39 needs to be added for the 36 messages, even though they have a frequency of 0. Row for 20 to 24, 25 to 29, and 30 to 34 must also be included. Okay, so this was the problem 3. Now we are going from the problem 4. Here, on Monday, a teacher asked 8 students to write down a number which is denoted by X. On Tuesday, when one of these students were absent, they asked them to add 1 to yesterday's number and write it down. We have to find the number written down on Monday by the students who was absent on Tuesday, given that X bar is 30 and 1 by 4, 1 out of 4, and that the mean of Monday's and Tuesday's numbers combined was 27 and 1 out of 3. Here the absent students number, let the absent student numbers be P. Okay, so Monday's total is 242. How it becomes 242? Because there are 8 number of students and their mean was given 30 and 1 by 4, 1 out of 4. So when we multiply this, we get a 2 and 42. So this is Monday's total, and Tuesday's total will be 242 minus P. This is absent student number, and 7, because all they are asked in the question to add to 1 to yesterday's number. So on Tuesday, one student absent, so remaining student are 7. If each one add 1, so that will be 7, number will be 7. Okay, so that's why Tuesday total is 242 minus P and plus 7. So if we combine, we try to find the mean in combined on Tuesday and total Monday. The total will be 242 plus 242 minus P plus 7. This is Monday and Tuesday's total. Okay, divided by 15, because on Monday students are 8, number of students are 8, and on Tuesday number of students are 7. So total 15, and mean are given, which is 27. 27 and 1 out of 3. So here, the after calculation, the value of P is 81. Now problem 5. This is a very interesting problem. Here the monthly salaries W dollars of 10 women are such that summation of 10 W minus 3000 is equal to minus 200, and monthly salaries of M dollars of 20 men are such that summation of M minus 4000 is 120. We have to find the difference between the mean monthly salary of the woman and mean monthly salary of the man, and also we have to find the mean salary of all the women and men together. Here we have to before going for the solution, we have to see a formula. Here, see, for the group data, for coded data, to coded data set, we can transform all its values by addition of a positive or negative constant. The result of doing this procedure is a set of coded data. Like to find the mean of, we have to find if we have to find the mean of these numbers, we can use the values 1, 3, 4, 9 and 13. How we can if we can subtract 100 from each of this data. So then when we find the mean, then we can find this way, summation of x minus 100 and divided by 5. This will be 6, and we just have to add to this 6, add 100 to this number, which is, so the mean will be 106, because we subtracted. Why we add 100 here? Because we subtract each 100 from each x value. So we simplify, add simply add 100 to the mean of the coded values to find the mean of x. So this is called coded data. And the formula for group data, ungrouped data, mean will be summation of x minus b divided by n plus b. This b is subtracted or added number. And for group data, summation of x minus b times f divided by summation of frequency plus b. Now here is our problem. Here given summation of w minus 3000 is 2 minus 200, and summation of m minus 4000 is 120. We have to find the difference between the mean monthly salary of the woman and mean monthly salary of man. And second, we have to find the mean monthly salary of all the women and man together. So here first we find the mean monthly salary of women, which is minus 200 divided by 10 according to this formula. Here n is 10 women, and b is 3000 because this is 3000, and we have to add it to with our founded mean, and similarly we get the salaries, mean salaries of man. Okay, monthly salaries of man, which is 20 man. So here it will be 20, and here it is 4000 because we are given a 4000. The value of b will be 4000. Okay, according if we follow this formula again. Okay, so for when we and the difference is 1026, and similarly when we find the mean, so here we just have to multiply here by 10, because we get the total combined mean here of to find the mean monthly salary of the all women and men together. So we have to first we have to find the sum of the salaries of them, of this 30 men and women. So that's why we have to multiply 10 by this funded value from here, and 20 by this value, and finally we get the mean of men women together. Then we are going for our last problem here. The exact age of an individual boy is recorded, is denoted by B, and the exact age of an individual girl is denoted by G. And exactly 5 years ago, the sum of the ages of 10 boys was 127 years, and given a summation of B minus 5 is 127. And in exactly 5 years time, the sum of the ages of 15 girls will be 351 years. So summation of G plus 5 is 351. Find the mean age today of the 10 boys and the 15 girls, then the 10 boys and 15 girls combined. First, according to the previous formula, I have shown you here this formula. According to this formula, we get the mean of the boys first, 10 boys. So 10 boys, mean of 10 boys is 17.7 years. Age mean of age of the 10 boys, and then we have to find them the total age, that age of the 10 boys, which is 177. From this formula we have to find from the formula. Just we have to do it by expand our brackets. Okay, we have to expand it from summation of b minus p. We get summation of b minus 10 times 5. So that's how we get the summation of b, which is 177. And here again we show that if we show this earlier here in this line, we don't need to show it here. So you can do this two ways also. And summation of G is 18.4. So summation it is mean value of girls, 15 girls, and summation of G plus 5, which is 276. From this formula, by expanding with summation of girls, ages of girls, summation of G, which is 276. Now combine the boys and 15 girls. The mean of the mean age of the 10 boys and 15 girls is 18.12. So this is a problem for today. I try to discuss with you from statistics. I hope this will help you to get the concept easily. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. It will inspire me to work for you, to make video for you more. And if you have any difficulty to understand any topic, please let me know. I will try to make a video on that topic. So thank you everyone.